Hey, what is up? Gaurav here.
And it's Aryan. And today, as you know, our new player, Raghav. So, Raghav, please introduce yourself. Hey, so what's up, guys? I'm Raghav Rajput. So, we are going to start today the rank match. Yes. So, Gaurav, you may start the match.
So, friends, now I selected the ranked match and it's the random map. And so let's now start the game. I think so. Who is?
Map has been selected, Gaurav?
Hey, Aaron, you are ready? No.
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, okay. Now we have started the game.
Okay.
So now we are entering the lobby in some seconds. So now just.
Gaurav, I just wanted to ask you, is it Kalahari?
I don't think so because it's a random map. It can take us anywhere.
Oh, that's great. I would prefer Kalahari.
I think so. Friends, I'm going to cancel the match and again start it because it's taking so much of time.
Okay.
Hey, why did you cancel the match?
I didn't cancel it.
You cancelled it, okay?
Or maybe I did it by mistake.
So friends, it's taking a long time.
If the match is the map would be, I think so, it would be Classic Bermuda. So I should prefer we should go to the Cape Town. No, I think we should go in the high tire loot zone.
So friends, now we are changing our mind and going to the Classic Bermuda.
Okay, then.
We are not going to play any that ranked game because the ranked game is taking us so much of time to load.
Yes,
so
it is taking a lot of time.
So now we will prefer to go to the Classic Bermuda. So now let's start the game.
Yes, we have started the game.
Yeah, I think so. It's matchmaking.
It's matchmaking. I don't know why matchmaking is taking us so much time this time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so
no, we have entered the lobby.
Yep.
In a few seconds.
Wow, my gun is so cool. Car, I like it. And mine is AWM.
Yeah.
Your gun is one shot, 1K. It's so cool.
So I have also entered the match, friends. So now.
Yes, we see you, Gaurav.
I think so. A player has entered. He's Kingwa.
Yes, Kingwa, because we are three. Kingwa. So if you have selected the spot, one more has come. So I'm using the zip line. So
now the game has been started. So friends, in this game our special guest Khushal is not there because I think so because of network problem is not gonna be there.
So where should we go? Okay, I'm ejecting in shipyard, guys, the high tire.
Hey, who is this speaking? I don't know who is this speaking.
What?
Somebody is speaking, I think.
I don't know who is speaking.
And now, who are we following actually? Hey.
You are following me.
So eject.
Okay, so eject. Okay, ejecting. We are going to what do you call it? It's shipyard. Yeah, we are going to shipyard. Shipyard. Oh, yeah. It is a high tire loot zone. Generally, only 2 or 3 people come here. And okay, I have my parachutes on now.
So we have our parachutes on and
I
now.
think many enemies are going to come here. No, I don't think so. Generally, only 2 or 3 people come out around here.
So Aryan and Raghav split up.
What?
Split.
Okay, sure. Just a minute, I'm grabbing some guns. So, yeah.
Friends, I got an.
What happened? I got thermal scope. Wow, thermal scope is so cool.
I got an Kar 986.
I got MP40 and UMP, the most fastest
got an
MP40.
I got an XMB.
Do you see any players?
No, I don't.
Okay. If anyone wants a bag level 3, I see a bag level 3. I think Gaurav, you might need a bag. You don't have a bag.
I don't have a bat or something.
Then come behind me. I'm showing you. I see a bag.
Okay, I'm not able to
Come
jump.
behind me. I see a bag.
Raghav.
Gaurav, come here. I have a bag. Take the bag.
Hey, I need a bag level 3.
Yes. Wait, someone killed 2 players with an AWM.
Yeah. I think so. He's a lucky man.
Yes, totally.
Partially.
Okay,
Now, friends.
I'm checking for new good guns, guys.
So, friends, now we are going to leave this place and we are heading towards Bismarck.
Wait, I want the SMG ammo.
You so take it and come behind us.
Okay, I'm following you then. Hey, Gaurav?
Yes, you may.
Wouldn't we need like a car or something?
Yeah, I got a car. You can jump on it.
Oh, yeah. But only 2 players can come on it, Gaurav.
No problem. Raghav will jump on us.
What?
Yes.
Hey, I see a bike. Raghav, you can take a bike.
And take the another player and come.
Who is this, Gaurav?
Yeah.
You see someone? Where are you, Aryan? I am just running around here. Follow me. I got a bike. Follow me. Yeah. I'm getting the bike and then I'm coming towards you. Raghav, you're going fast.
I'm Gaurav.
Coming behind you. Come, Raghav. Get on. Okay, now you got on and okay. We crashed to each other. So that's okay. Why did Gaurav stop?
I got something to eat. A mushroom.
Raghav, why are you running? Come, wait, I want a good loot. I am going to. Yeah, I got a bike for you. You can take your personal bike, Raghav. Yeah, I'm just coming there. Come fast, Raghav. You're wasting time. Change one is thing. I got glider. What? I got glider.
Glider.
Oh, glider. I got you. I heard that you got a sniper. I thought, what?
It's just a
Raghav,
miracle.
follow me, Raghav. I have a bike. I thought there was an enemy there. Someone is hitting.
Hey, I'm coming. Just wait.
Whoa. Who is hitting us? I saw an enemy there. Where did you see him? In that house. Which house? This one. Follow me. One? Where you are entering? Yeah.
No, I think so. I saw him.
There's no one here, Raghav.
I also think there is no one. You just come inside.
Checking it, but no one is there. Checking this house, but no one is there. Okay, so let's go.
Friends, just come fast.
Okay, I'm getting my bike and then I'm coming.
Yeah, Aryan, I know where is going to the next safe zone. Where is it is going to be. So
okay, I got my bike.
Aryan,
I saw an enemy.
Where?
He was running there.
Cause somebody, Raghav, you can come over here.
I think I saw someone too.
Raghav, come on my car. Or the ATV. I think so we call this ATV. So guys, if you know this,
someone took my bike.
That is King. Somebody like King.
Oh, come on, that's cheating.
Hey, Aryan.
Wait for me.
Yeah, I am coming. Come on.
Wait.
I'm coming upstairs.
Okay, fine. Come.
I think so, Aryan, we don't have to go in this car because the car health is very low.
No, it is half. We can still go.
I think so. Somebody.
21 players are alive.
We can make it.
Yes, we can still make it.
So Raghav, we two will go and walk. Hey Aryan, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
Come on, jump on our car, huh? Like this only.
Okay, jump.
No, I am going in his car. No, Raghav, you just wait.
What happened?
Nothing. Now get in.
This king was 415 is a very bad player.
Why? He does not
I
know.
don't know what he is doing. Follow me, guys. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know where he's going. 17 are alive. I'm going on this, this top thingy.
Hey, who is
I
this?
think I see a good gun here. Oh, I got a helmet level 3. I'm gonna snipe from up here, I guess.
I got a.
Hey, you got a gun. You got a car. I'm taking the car.
I got an XMB.
Wow. Something that's smooth.
Aryan, you can come with me so that I can drop you.
No, it's okay.
Now I'll blast this car.
Where are you? I don't see you.
I'm entering. Just wait. Drive. Come on.
Okay, now I see you. But that is the non-safe zone there.
So now Aryan, just follow me. I know this next safe zone. Just come.
Yes, we can also see the next safe zone. I'm following you.
Come on, fast.
He is not able to climb this hill, so it is going very slowly.
So friends, I'm going to the next means the loot box is going to come over there.
And smoking walls, don't enter my car, please.
I think so. Somebody is here. You can just come over here.
I'm coming towards you. Yes, I see him. I see him. Get on your car. Coming in the car.
He's in
Someone is shooting. Be careful. Oh, I see them. I'm gonna try to kill them. Please, I hope I kill them. Oh no, someone is shooting. Oh no, guys, help me. So many people are shooting. Guys, help me. Don't worry. I got a dragon of guys.
Hey, somebody is over there.
Okay, wait, I'm coming. I'm gonna snipe from here, I guess.
Hey, no.
What happened?
No. I think so that's going to blast.
Oh no, I could have killed him.
Yeah, I killed him.
You killed him?
Yes.
Oh, Raghav, what happened? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm coming. I thought you got hurt. Okay, only 13 are alive. Hey, guys.
Yeah, you can just
Do you
tell.
want to go to the... oh, no.
Aryan.
I thought we could go to the... what do you call it? The maybe airdrop, but airdrop was very far away from the safe zone, so I'm not... I see someone.
Hey, you just leave on us.
He's in the car. Yes, he's in the car.
Hey, get in the house.
No, don't worry. Okay, I'm coming in the house.
I think so.
I'm coming in the house.
Use your...
In the house. Raghav is behind the stone.
Hey.
I wouldn't suggest that, Raghav. Because
Aryan.
maybe someone can come and just kill you. Just wait, I'm coming.
Aryan.
Aryan.
Your HP is very low.
Yes, Raghav. Raghav, your HP is low.
No, you are
And
also.
Mark, you go low. I'm going to recharge myself.
Should I lend you a
What?
medkit? Should I lend you a medkit?
No, I have enough medicine.
So now let's go.
Where do you see him? Where? Yes. Oh no! Guys, please help me. My God. Oh no, I died. Oh no.
No. I am there to revive you. No,
I died already.
no. Aryan.
King was. Oh no! What are you doing, Raghav? You'll die. Don't worry.
Aryan.
Revive yourself, Raghav. There are two players. If I could kill them, we don't have to shout. I want the medkit. Oh, danger zone.
So,
Come with me, everyone.
yeah. What?
Come with me. Follow me.
Shit. Raghav.
I'm coming.
Revive.
I'm coming.
Fast. Come fast. So now I am revived. I am taking a medkit.
This one is shrinking. Come fast.
Okay. Hey Raghav, do you have any medkits with you?
I have only one.
Oh, so my phone's battery is very low.
Mine also.
It's nearly 5%.
Whoa.
Safe
zone is coming.
We have to run.
No. Come fast.
Yes. Yeah, we are in the safe zone.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out my scar.
I want to take my kit.
Hey, who was it? Oh. Now I'm using my bonfire. Hey, I think I see somebody.
Oh no.
No, somebody is killing.
Yeah.
I see them.
I can't see them.
Oh shit.
I think there's a whole squad.
Raghav damaged their car.
Whoa. Revive, Gaurav, please.
Yeah, I also killed. I've also been killed. So guys, our game has been finished and our video as well as the video. And we are in the top 5. So tata, bye bye. See you in the next video.
गोटे त्याला ड्रेस घाल चल पुरं चार्जिंग कर संपून टाकला बघा